Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer cryptocurrency directly to your Payoneer account. First, visit the website Autorun.site. I'll also leave the link in the video description. Once you're on the site, select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Then enter the amount you'd like to transfer. Then from the drop-down menu, choose Payoneer. Then click Start Exchange button. Now enter your Payoneer email and also provide a contact email. Next, click Start Exchange button. Double-check all the information you've entered. If everything looks correct, agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Then click Confirm Exchange. You'll then receive your order number along with the payment instructions. Simply copy the wallet address or scan the QR code and transfer your crypto. Once the payment is done, click I have paid. And that's it. You'll receive the funds in your Payoneer account within 10 to 30 minutes. Sometimes it may take a little longer, so please be patient.